This is a burnishing tool. This one's made by Katsu. I'm not endorsing this brand at all, but just want to show you how beneficial this is if you're going to use wood that's been sat outside or reclaimed. So this, I'm doing some work in my garden, and this has a bunch of dirt, a bunch of sand and grit in the surface. Now if I run this through my saw, what's going to happen is the teeth are going to hit all the stones and going to cause damage to it. So all of the tiny bits, tiny particles of dirt and sand are going to cause damage to my tool, so this helps to prepare it. I'll show you how it works. So you can see here, it's really thick with mud and grit. So now that surface is all clean and completely free, and it's transferred onto my hand. So I can run this through my saw without risking causing damage to my blade.